Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mini catalysator is probably one of the most important components you may never think about for your vehicle, but when it comes to maintaining optimal engine performance and reducing harmful emissions, choosing the right mini catalyst for your oxygen sensor is crucial. This small device plays a significant role in ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently, and in this video, we will explore what makes a great mini catalysator, helping you make an informed decision for your car. Number 5. OXICAT Engine Cleaner. Meet OXICAT, the revolutionary cleaner for your vehicle's exhaust system. It's safe for both gasoline and diesel engines, making it the perfect preventative maintenance solution. It's designed to clean your catalytic converter, oxygen sensor, and turbocharger. It activates once your catalytic converter reaches its optimal operating temperature. With regular use, it thoroughly cleans your entire exhaust system, improving performance and longevity. This ensures optimal engine health. OXICAT is trusted and used by professionals worldwide. Its effectiveness and safety have been proven time and again. It's made in Germany and carries the prestigious TÜV certification, guaranteeing its quality and reliability. Now available in North America. It's completely safe and effective for all petrol and diesel vehicles. Give your engine the care it deserves. What we like. This product is safe and effective for all types of vehicles. It's designed for preventive maintenance, ensuring your exhaust system stays clean with regular use. If you prioritize preventative care and want to keep your vehicle running smoothly, this is the product for you. What people say. After the CL came on and I attached the code reader. It said that the 420 or Bank 2 catalytic converter was not up to standard. Checked O2 sensors and they were reading fine. I placed the order and it came quicker than it was supposed to. When the tank was 7/8 empty, I put a can in the tank of my 2003 Toyota Corolla LE, which was 1 week after it threw the CL on, at the same time as I pulled in to fill up the car. Took it for a drive on the freeway, and after 129 miles parked it. My wife took the car that evening to the grocery store and said that the light had gone off. It has been over 3 months now and still running fine, with no new CL lights coming on. Car still performing great. Emissions found no issues. Passed all of them. Obstructed catalytic converter caused engine light to activate. Bought 3 cans. Within 250 to 300 miles light went out. After about 1,200 miles light was back on. Ran fuel to half tank then put in 1 can and the third next time I refueled. 2,800 miles later still working dash, no light improved mileage, The check engine light kept coming on in my 2010 Subaru Forester indicating a catalytic converter problem. 1 can of OXICAT added to a full tank of fuel and run until almost empty, and the problem seems to be entirely solved. No more check engine light and the car runs better than ever. Number 4. CCC Cleaning Kit. This innovative cleaning kit offers a cost-effective solution for maintaining your catalytic converter. It's designed for ease of use and avoids the need for complex disassembly. It's the most effective and affordable way to clean your catalytic converter. This powerful cleaner protects the converter's materials, extending its lifespan. No need to disassemble anything. It's incredibly easy to use, saving you time and effort. Instead of costly replacement, this kit helps you clean your vehicle's catalytic converter. This keeps your vehicle running smoothly and saves you money. It effectively addresses P0420 and P0430 error codes, provided the catalytic converter isn't physically damaged. Get your check engine light off and back on the road. This kit cleans and protects the internal components of your catalytic converter, keeping it running efficiently for longer. It's a simple solution to a costly problem. What we like. This is the most effective and affordable cleaning solution available. It's incredibly easy to use and requires no disassembly. If you're on a budget and want a simple solution to clean your catalytic converter, this is a great choice. What people say. My Sorrento's non-continuous monitoring catalyst monitoring test would run between 1.19 and 1.57, with a limit of 0.9995. I then tried this foam cleaner that immediately dropped the ratio to 0.78. Now the fault codes are staying off and are not reappearing after resetting in 40 minutes of drive time. The chemical doesn't smell like other strong solvents and has a pleasant orange smell. The runoff cleared oil and grime away, so I knew it was working. I let it sit for about 30 minutes, installed the O2 sensor and added the sensor cleaner to the gas tank, then took off for a long drive. There was minimal smoke, and I noticed improved performance. Unbelievably easy to use, and it worked first try. I actually bought 2 kits. Going to use the other one on another car. Product came with everything needed, even a funnel for the tank fuel treatment. Clear instructions on both cans. And worked first try. Number 3. 2.5 Universal Catalytic Converter. This converter offers a universal fit for vehicles with a 2.5-inch exhaust pipe. It's designed for a direct replacement, ensuring a seamless installation process. It's designed to match your original car's specifications. The internal honeycomb ceramic substrate ensures efficient performance. It boasts a stainless steel housing, providing superior resistance to heat, rust, and corrosion for an extended lifespan. Built to withstand even the toughest conditions. It's been factory tested for a perfect fit, making installation quick and straightforward. No need for extensive modifications. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Contact us through Amazon messaging if you have any questions or concerns. Please ensure this catalytic converter is compatible with your vehicle's 2.5-inch outer diameter exhaust pipe before purchasing. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. This catalytic converter boasts a universal fit and is built from durable stainless steel. It's designed for easy installation. If you need a replacement catalytic converter that's easy to install and built to last, this is the one for you. What people say. Had it professionally installed on my Dodge van and it works perfectly so far. Easy fit up and works good on my 2003 S10 Blazer. Dune material resistant acero inoxidable, armable. Number 2. Mini Cooper O2 Sensor 234-4457. Is your Mini Cooper's check engine light on? This O2 sensor could be the solution. It's designed to fix that and improve your vehicle's performance. It reduces fuel consumption and improves engine performance. Experience smoother acceleration and better overall driving. This sensor is built to last. Its protective layer prevents damage, ensuring long-term reliability and stability. Designed for easy installation, it's a perfect fit for Mini Coopers from 2002 to 2008. The silver alloy joint makes installation a breeze. Before purchasing, double-check your vehicle's details to ensure compatibility. Matching the part number and images is crucial for a proper fit. The package includes one O2 sensor with 4 wires and a male terminal. Everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. What we like. This oxygen sensor is specifically designed for Mini Coopers from 2002 to 2008. It's built to last and will improve your vehicle's performance. If you own a Mini Cooper within that year range and are experiencing performance issues, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Working good. Had to take a knife and take a couple of ridges out of the connector so it would work in the factory side connector. Number 1. OXICAT Engine Cleaner, 2-pack. This is OXICAT, your solution for a cleaner engine. It's a powerful oxygen sensor and catalytic converter cleaner, designed to improve your vehicle's performance. It effectively cleans your oxygen sensors, ensuring accurate readings and optimal fuel efficiency. This leads to better gas mileage and less emissions. It also helps restore your catalytic converter's efficiency. This crucial part of your exhaust system will work better, reducing harmful emissions. Experience improved engine performance with this simple treatment. It helps your engine run smoother and more efficiently. It's easy to use and comes in a convenient 2-pack. Just follow the instructions for optimal results. Choose OXICAT for a cleaner, more efficient engine. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. Get 2 for the price of almost 1 with this oxygen sensor and catalytic converter cleaner. This is a great preventative measure to keep your vehicle running smoothly. If you want to save money and keep your exhaust system in top shape, this is a smart buy. What people say. The check engine light came on indicating an oxygen sensor or catalytic converter had an issue. First can didn't work, but I realized the gas tank full held more gasoline than the recommended amount. Made an adjustment with the second dose and it worked at about 100 miles. Light off for over a week so far. Got the dreaded CAT-CONV error code on my 2014 Subaru after 150,000 miles. Used one can with a fill-up, and within days, the error code went off on its own. After 2 more fill-ups, the code came back and I used the second can. Code went away in days, and has not come back, and it has been 3 months. I was always told there's no such thing as a mechanic in a bottle, but in this case this product did clean the cat enough to shut the check engine light off. I had to use both bottles. But it's been good for the better part of a year. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.